Hello and welcome to the MSP M0 Peripheral Training Series. In this video, I will be introducing the CRC, or Cyclic Redundancy Check module, on the MSP M0 devices. Here's a look at some features in our current product line. As you can see, all devices include a 16-bit and 32-bit CRC accelerator. The CRC accelerator integrated on the MSP M0 chip generates signatures for a given data sequence based on a CRC16 CCITT polynomial or a CRC32 ISO 3309 polynomial. When the CRC is initialized with a fixed seed value, the same sequence of input data produces the same CRC signature. In general, different input data sequences generate different CRC signature values. The CRC is mainly used to detect or verify errors that may occur after data transmission or storage. In the application, the generated characteristic value is generally calculated and appended to the given data before transmission or storage, and then the receiver checks to determine whether the given data has changed. Let's take a detailed look at the CRC module of the MSP M0 device line. The CRC module is first initialized by loading it with a seed value. After this, the user loads data into the CRC in the form of byte, half-word, or word-sized writes. With each write, the CRC will generate and output a signature value. After understanding the characteristics of the cyclic redundancy check, let's see how we can quickly evaluate the CRC module on the MSP M0. First, we recommend buying the MSP M0 Launchpad to get started on development without any additional accessories. Next, we can find the CRC module in the MSP M0 Academy. This online tutorial will help readers understand the configuration and usage of the CRC module through progressive tasks and quiz questions. We can also refer directly to the examples in DriverLib in the SDK and work along with the datasheet and TRM to learn about the CRC module. To customize the configuration of the CRC module, we recommend using the sysconfig graphical configuration tool. Follow the steps in the figure, first navigating to sysconfig, then to the CRC module, and adjust its operating parameters. Building the program will initialize the CRC module with the parameters you set here, shortening production time and speeding up development. If you'd like to learn more about quickly getting started on development, navigate to the document links in the bottom left corner of the slide. These links contain many MSP M0 resources, including our datasheet, technical reference manual, online resources, and quick start guides. Thank you for listening to our presentation on the MSP M0 CRC module. Please visit these links to download this PowerPoint and to view many other MSP M0 training videos.